Here we are planning to learn how to use Windows Narrator with a Visio drawing. While we use Windows Narrator with a Visio drawing, it provides the accessibility facility to individuals who cannot otherwise, say, view the drawing for some disability or some special condition like weak eyesight or no eyesight. To understand the steps how to prepare an accessible drawing using Microsoft Visio, out here on the left I have mentioned these steps. So this will allow you to understand things a bit better. Step 1 is prepare Visio diagram with page and shape alt text. So for every Visio page there is a facility where we can provide alt text, and the same is true for shape also. These or all text details are read by the screen readers. Here is your Visio page. You can see in the page setup, if you can see, there is this option alt text. So the alt text which I have provided for my drawing is machinery dispatch process, and this is a process diagram for machinery dispatch process. So for every page you have to provide the proper page name and then title and description for the alt text, which comes with selecting the page. I will show it to you again. Put your cursor here, right click and click on page setup. Out here in the step 1 is also all the shapes have to be provided with the alt text. So how do we provide the alt text to the shapes? Select the shape, right click, you can see format shape, which is here. Within format shape, this option size and properties. If you can see in size and properties, there is this alt text, a title and a description. Start process now. The machinery dispatch process out of warehouse starts now. It is a 3-step process. So for every shape, what we have done, we have, while preparing the diagram, we have provided the alt text. This alt text will be read by the screen reader. Step 1, receive order. The order is received by post or courier. The documents and accompanying order and demand drafts are checked. Similarly, for every shape or every step, alt text has been provided. So this is prepare Visio diagram with page and shape alt text. Now we move on to step 2. Step 2 is review and finalize the tab order for Visio. And this is also known as the navigation order. User interfaces for softwares have a navigation order or a tab order which can be controlled using the keypad. Similarly, Visio diagram is also having a tab order or a navigation order. This tab order or navigation order can be checked from view, task panes and navigation. So we are on the view tab already, task panes and navigation. Now you can see your diagram navigation is being shown here. If we press the tab key, it takes us according to the navigation order or tab order. Every time we press the tab key, the diagram moves like this. The tab order or navigation order has to be checked because of the fact that when someone would like to hear about the alt text of the diagram will move according to the navigation order. So we are on the start shape or at the process start now. Step 3, initiate Windows Narrator. Press Windows plus Control plus Enter. So I am pressing the Windows key, Control key and the Enter key.
Visio scan narrator window heading level 1. Welcome to narrator.
So
this is narrator home. Visio file plus narrator window. Machinery dispatch process. Diagram. Scan off.
So now as we move ahead, the narrator will narrate the diagram. I am pressing the tab.
Moving on to step 1. Dynamic connector.
Again I am pressing the tab.
Step 1. Receive order. Process. The order is received by post or courier. The documents and accompanying pay orders or demand drafts are checked.
And you can check
content Visio format shape. Visio file plus narrator window.
This is
machinery dispatch process. Diagram. Visio file plus narrator window. Moving on to step 2. Dynamic connector. Process payments. Step 2 of the process. This is step 2 of the process. The pay order or demand draft is processed with success. Moving on to step 3. Dynamic connector. 3. Dispatch machinery. Process. The machinery is dispatched out of warehouse by trucks.
Now we will move ahead by pressing the tab.
Moving on to process end. Dynamic connector. End. Start/end.
Now I am closing the narrator by pressing Windows plus Control plus Enter.
Exiting narrator.
So this was all about using the narrator or the screen reader for our Visio diagram and making our diagram more accessible for people who have a weak eyesight or who have, you see, very low or limited vision. So I stop now. This is your trainer Vijay Shekhar Shukla signing off for now. Please do subscribe to our channel and please connect with me for trainings in business analysis, product management, and also trainings in tools like Visio and Balsamiq. Thank you.